hot chocolate with bourbon? Say less. Say less. Jesus Christ, Jerome. So my fiance Jerome, his company ended up hosting this super cool mixology event, but what was even cooler is that they actually sent us like a full-on package of what the event was all about, and it literally has these 2 super cool recipes, and I'm going to show you and share with you all how to make fucking spiked hot chocolate. So this mixology kit comes with 2 separate recipes. One is just a typical cocktail making with mixologist Aaron, and the other is the Mexican hot chocolate. So not only is it just a normal hot chocolate, but it's the Mexican abuela's hot chocolate. So I'm not gonna lie, as soon as I opened up this box, it just smelled like my grandma's house. Let's do like a whole like little unboxing for this whole thing in general, because there's a lot of cool goodies in here. So let's see. There is so much cool shit in here. So first off, we have Aztec old-fashioned sugar guajillo, chile and canela. This here. We have, I suck at like alcoholic shit. I've never been a bartender, but I don't know what this is, but we have this. If you know the name of this, comment down below, because I have no freaking idea, but this is what we have. This is a shaker. So freaking cute. Let's see, we've got a freaking strainer. A strainer is in here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it even comes with like a badass like mixing spoon. Like this is like good quality, legit, like wow, like everything is steel. This is really fucking cool. Okay, we have our marshmallows. We've got the iconic abuelas or abuelita chocolate here, and then we have, oh my gosh, they like legit give you freaking bourbon. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 little mini bourbons, which like not mad at all. And then we've got these things. Let's see what this is. Oh wow, this is Mexican hot chocolate, Swiss chocolate almond ancho chile sugar. And this is like glass. This is like really nicely packaged and really nicely like done. And then this here, oh gosh. It's the 13th Street Mole Bitters. And again, it's glass. Like this is really good quality stuff. And I wanna say that's everything in here. Let's see how this will go.
Can't trade with them unless you have to dodge his knock and then you all know. Like right now, he does not have his knock up.
Mexican hot chocolate.
Dude, I called that shit out and you almost got it. Oh, sorry.
I'm trying to film and my fiance's over here gaming with the homies. It's gaming with the homies.
I'm not gaming, I'm watching it. And I'm working.
I was a little lost, but now I'm found. Okay, so it says make Mexican hot chocolate to package specifications. So I guess this is in the instructions. Fuck, I don't know. So the instructions for Mexican hot chocolate is number 1, make Mexican hot chocolate to package specifications. So let's just go step by step. Okay. Oh my God, it smells so fucking good. I will admit, like, they don't package this very well. Like, how am I supposed to read these instructions? Okay, place 1 tablet and 4 cups of milk over medium heat. 1 tablet. Oh, okay. I've never actually made this before, so let's do it. One tablet, 4 cups of milk. 1 tablet, 4 cups of milk. So I think this is one, yeah. I think this is 1 tablet. Or how do I know what's 1 tablet?
1 tablet, 1 triangle.
1 triangle, but see there's like several. How do I know what's 1 tablet? How do I know? How do I know? Here comes Jerome, here comes Jerome, here comes Jerome. Help me! Help me! Help me!
That's like a big fucking one. This one is 1 tablet.
No way.
Yeah.
No way. No, then it's like, no. I think that it's all, no.
That's how I make mine.
Should I make the fat tablet or like the small tablet?
Okay, I saw that right again. You got, she's the first cue.
Fat tablet, fat tablet, fat tablet! So let's just take what Jerome broke in half. Now let's throw it in here. I also did an Instagram poll because I don't know. It'll be funny to see what Instagram says. I put the whole damn thing in there. Maybe it'll just be extra fucking chocolatey. Let's see. Let's see. So, no lie. I don't really understand these instructions. So we're gonna bring in some reinforcements again. Let's ask Jerome. Let's ask Jerome. Hey, Romy? Yes, but then what's number 2?
Add almond, chocolate, and chili syrup and bourbon to the fresh coffee mug. What the fuck is this? Oh, they're here, yeah. Oh, almond, chocolate, and chili syrup. Almond, chocolate, and chili syrup.
I guess, okay.
So you just
I put that whole thing?
No.
Just a little bit?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Why don't I just pour it, actually? Why don't I just, I got it.
This whole thing of bourbon? Like, that, we gonna get lit. Apparently my hand is too heavy and I can't even read instructions. Apparently you just throw the shit in there. I thought you put the whole fucking thing in there, which we were gonna be lit. We were gonna be lit. It was gonna be a lit drink. But Jerome's taking over, sad, but happy. So now that the hot chocolate is completely done, Jerome's over here giving me a hard fucking time, whatever. Now, you literally just add the syrup and the bourbon to your coffee mug, pour it over, add in some marshmallows. My fiance likes to game whenever I'm trying to film. Data gamer, they said it'd be fun, they said. Just kidding, I don't know who the fuck said that. No one fucking said that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh wow, that's a lot. Oh, okay. Oh no, marshmallows go last. Oh. Sorry.
Knock this shit over.
Do a little taste test. I'm not gonna lie, it smells a little crazy. Jerome took his without all the extraness. Literally just took straight up the abuelita's hot chocolate. So let's taste this with the bourbon in it. Oh fuck. I can definitely taste the bourbon. Woo! 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 Happy holidays, y'all. We got Nosy Boy sniffing. Oh,